Institute of Food Technologists. If you didn't study food science, but you want to go into the field, hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if it is not your first time. I'm so excited because I'm vlogging and I love vlogging for you guys. Today it is currently after fall has begun. I absolutely love fall. It's not too cold and it's not too hot, and I feel like I just like dressing for fall. Like, I love sweaters, I love wearing pants, I just love it. So yeah, I figured I would go ahead and vlog for you guys. I am currently at work. I just got back from an eye appointment. I needed to update my prescription, which is why I have clothes on and stuff, but I needed to update my prescription and get a new contact prescription because your girl had ran out. So now I'm replenished, which is really great. But yeah, the time is about 4 o'clock. I am finishing up some work stuff that I need to do, and I figured I could just vlog today and tomorrow. I know if you guys have seen my last vlog, I talked about how I have a new job and I've been working on new projects, which is so exciting. And I officially did start one of the projects, which is so great, and I've been learning a lot. So I hope to talk a little bit more about that in this vlog. Aside from that, I did switch my whole apartment around. You guys can probably see here. I want to show you guys when everything's a little bit more put together, because yeah, I want to show you guys when I clean up a little bit, because I really like the setup now. It makes my place feel so much bigger, and I don't know, the space really does feel different. I definitely wanted that as I got started with fall. So I'm about to make some tea. I am going to be going to meet up with a friend a little bit later. We're going to go to a farmer's market not far from here. I went to a farmer's market last weekend, but this is in a different area, and I can't wait to see kind of what they have. I think I'll bring you guys with. Alright, you guys, so I have just been kind of getting some stuff done, trying to figure out more regulations for certain substances, just so that I know for my region specifically what's allowed and what's not allowed. So it's just really interesting kind of seeing some of these substances that are more familiar to me, and then also some of these substances that are not as familiar to me. So it's just crazy, because then I sometimes Google them and be like, man, what is this? Some of the stuff I can't even pronounce. That's just typically how it is with even just stuff on labels. And it's really interesting to just see kind of what their functionality is and what they would be used for, or why they're not regulated for usage in a food product. I was kind of finishing that up here in a Excel sheet, which is great. And I don't know, I just kind of get in the zone. So I had my headphones on, but these are bomb. I've been eating these as a snack. I get them from Trader Joe's. I think I had milk chocolate before, but dark chocolate is really where it's at. So I just had some of those. I also have some blueberries, which I love blueberries. And my tea. I really wanted to thank you guys for the feedback on my last vlog. I absolutely love seeing you all's comments, seeing you all just really engage with the videos and things like that. And I definitely want to know how else I can make my videos informative or helpful or entertaining for you to watch, because I know I personally love watching videos that are entertaining but also informative. I'm actually going to be doing some food science sit down videos that you all have asked for, and I actually have a running list, because honestly it seems like some of those videos are really what help you all kind of get straight to the point, and then the vlogs are an opportunity for you guys to see kind of what I do in my daily life and what life is like for me, more candid things. So I would love to know kind of what videos you all would like to see. I have one for 5 things I wish I would have done before studying food science career FAQ, so job hunting, interviews, and how to get your dream job. If you didn't study food science but you want to go into the field, and I have so many videos. I'm not gonna give all of the ideas out there, but I would love to know what kind of videos you all would like to see, and I could add it to my list. There's so many video ideas that I have, but like I said, I want to make sure that they're most beneficial to you all. So leave your ideas down below. I will definitely add it to my list. And then of course, mini vlogs, many vlogs. Let's go ahead and wrap up today because your girl's tired. Alright guys, so I made it to the farmer's market and I have a special guest. Hey! It's my girl Priska. So she's actually a fellow food scientist. Yes. She's a little camera shy right now. I know. She's not ready, but we appreciate the impromptu.
We're here.
Yes.
We're here, super excited, foodies.
Yeah, we're just trying to see what we can get our hands on. So I'll show you guys. I have my bags.
Oh, and here's mine. You have to see it. IFT.
Came on Saturday. I see the vendors have changed a bit. I'm back home. The farmer's market was so much fun. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I have a meeting on Zoom that I'm waiting to be let into, but you guys, I put my bags to good use and it was so fun getting to see Priska. We just had such a blast and just, you know, talking to the vendors, but then also catching up. It was so fun. So yeah, I got some ribs, which maybe I'll insert a clip. They were so good. I also got some ice cream that's in the freezer right now. And okay, should I do a haul? I'm waiting to be let into the Zoom meeting, so I have some time. Nuts to go. They're like coated in, I forgot what they're coated in, but they're sweet nuts, and the lady was making them right there with this like little machine, which was so cool. I actually need to put this away. I got an apple turnover whipped soap scrub, which is so nice. It's kelp and kale. It smells so good. I can't wait to use that in the shower. This beard oil for Bay. So yes, I'm gonna give that to him. And then the ladies were so sweet and gave us some samples. Love a good sample. We were like getting food samples too, which was so cool. I got this rejuvenating face wash. They're all natural. And then here, so excited to use that. This like mango body butter, which I think it's whipped body butter, which is so nice. So this is the brand if you guys are interested. The ladies were so sweet. So everything is handmade and I'm so excited. She gave us a sample of this and it really made my hands so soft. Good morning guys. So it is currently Friday. I just kind of cleaned up a bit. I already brushed my teeth and I figured I would go ahead and use one of these new face washes that I got at Farmer's Market. Black soap, aloe vera, gel, juice, citric acid, and water, and some bamboo charcoal. So I'm gonna try this really quick and see what it does to my skin. I'm so excited. The weekend is gonna be so nice. I just can't wait to relax and watch some Netflix. So now I'm just gonna go in with a moisturizer. Up close and personal bio oil for some scar healing and to just make my skin youthful. I typically will take this, or I'll take this just to depuff my face some and increase the blood flow, the blood circulation. I know a lot of people wonder if this works. It definitely does. Just be gentle. And then I like to just finish off with my Laneige lip mask. Hair. This stuff is the bomb. The bomb. Okay. Not too much. I don't like glumpy gloss. I'm actually going to be doing something to my hair this weekend. I think I'm going to do some crochet, or we're gonna have to do something to the hair. But as of today, I'm just gonna rock this. I'm actually gonna go for a workout this afternoon. That's pretty much all I do in the morning for skincare. I know a lot of people always ask about skincare. I try new products every so often, not too often, but every so often. My absolute go-tos are that moisturizer and the bio oil, and I actually really did like this facial cleanser that I just picked up yesterday. I'm gonna link their Instagram down below. The ladies were so sweet, and I really like this wash. I feel cleansed. I want to show you guys something that I built. Well, me and Bae built. I've been trying to organize my bathroom a lot more and just make things a lot more functional throughout my whole apartment. Hence why I kind of reorganized my whole apartment, but it is what it is. So, ta-da! Here is the organizer. Absolutely love it. I bought it from Amazon, and it wasn't super difficult to build. Hair tools and hair scarves, and then like toiletries there. My skincare products and contacts here. I have hair products here, oils, jams, gels, and combs and stuff, and some clips, as you guys can see. Makeup here, which I actually need to figure out how I want to organize. Like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup as much, so I'm thinking to toss some of this old stuff at some point. And then this is just random hair stuff. Yeah, shout out to Bae. He really hooked this up. It looks so good, and it has just turned my whole bathroom into what I really want it to be. That is pretty much that. This day started because it's Friday and I have so many things that I want to get done. I just quickly wanted to kind of show you all how I've switched things around. I've turned this area kind of into like a den or my common area. My bed was here, but I figured I would prefer to have this be like a common area. I really like the layout of things. I need to get that cord fixed so the outlet will be right directly behind the TV so that cord doesn't drag. That mirror, I'm still trying to swap out for something different. So if you guys have mirror recommendation, or maybe something white or silver, and I want to hang it up on the wall. My clothing rack there, and this cart that I still need to put together. Workout clothes are there, and the vibes are right. The vibes are right. I think that this feels more like me, and I just like that, like, people can come and hang out here. I wanted to show you guys these food technology magazines that I actually get from IFT. So I have a membership with IFT. I got this like a couple months ago, and they send me monthly magazines, which I'm still waiting for my September one. But these are so nice because if you're really into food stuff, they give a lot of interesting food news. Institute of Food Technologists, and I know a lot of people ask, like, is it worth it? Is it worth getting a membership with IFT? I think I may do a video all about that separately because I have my own opinion. There are great benefits to IFT, but I think it really depends on what you're looking to do. Everything's kind of a work in progress. This is my bedroom. This is like a traditional studio setup, and I absolutely love it. Just have my bed there, and then we have the kitchen here, which I love. I was a little skeptical about having my bed in the same room, but I just like this so much better as the common area. And then I just have, like, you know, my stuff there, and then my functional office. I kind of switch my office around so much, as you guys will see in the vlogs. Sometimes the desk will be here, sometimes it'll be down there, sometimes it'll be facing out different ways. I like that. It keeps things interesting. So yeah, that's all of that. Full apartment transformation. I hope y'all like it. Still a work in progress, as mentioned. I'm definitely loving the setup so far. So now I am about to dive into some work that I really want to get done before my 11 o'clock meeting. And if you guys don't know this, I do have two screens. So I have my laptop screen and I have this screen, which makes my life so much easier. Pour my tea. I'm gonna enjoy this. It is definitely fall time. It is definitely cold outside, but this is kind of what I asked for. I love fall time. I didn't realize how tired I am. I've been doing a lot of waking up early and going to bed kind of late. Trying to get a better sleep schedule considering the early meetings that I have to do, just so it can be a lot more balanced. So it's definitely gonna be on the agenda. The older that I get, the more that I just really value my weekends to like rejuvenate and do things that are very relaxing and not just be on the move or be on the go. I want to try to film a full week in my life one of these weeks, but I think for now I'll just do like a couple days at a time, like 3 days at a time or 2 days at a time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I had done some work outside up on our balcony before it got cold last week. Today I wanted to go up there and do work, but it's so cold, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. Follow me on Instagram if you guys already do not. That will be linked down below, and I will put it on the screen so you guys can see it. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate all the support, and like I said, for those of you who really like food science videos, I will be having some more sit down videos coming very soon, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.